Hello guys, welcome back. Here's a quick and easy way to remove the clutch springs on Husqvarna 340, 345 and 350 chainsaws. All you need is snap ring pliers. As you can see, it's really simple. You can easily fix a saw that turns the chain at low RPMs. Now you can put new springs in, or you can bend the old ones a little bit inwards. It's easy to put them back. They have two notches where they sit. That's it guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos like this.